Welcome back, dear students. So today we'll be starting a new chapter, very interesting chapter and easy chapter. Okay, and the name of the chapter is Measures of Central Tendency, chapter number 24. So here you will be learning about mean, median, quartiles and mode. Okay, and today's video will be the introduction video on exercise 24A. Okay, so without further delay, let's begin. Right, so talking about the mean. Okay, so we have different kinds of data which were introduced to you in your class 9 also. So we will be first looking at the mean of ungrouped or raw data. Okay, now all of you must be knowing this particular formula. So if we have got n numbers, okay, and those numbers are x1, x2, x3 till xn, okay, then see, these are called ungrouped data, or you can call it raw data or individual data also. Okay, so because we have the individual record, okay, so individual observation is given to us and we want to find their mean. So their mean is nothing but their average. And how do we find average? We find the average by adding all the observations. So add all the observations and divide it by the number of observations. Okay, so instead of writing all these bigger stuff, this entire thing can be written in a small notation form. Okay, so it can be written as, okay, so let me use my pen. Okay, fine. So what we can do here is this entire thing, you can see that, right? So this entire thing can be written in this way also. So this symbol is known as summation. Okay, so we call it summation. So summation x means adding all the values of x. Okay, so with this introduction of the formulae, let's see the first problem. And see, the problems that I am going to do today is the revision of what you have done in your class 9 also. Okay, so the first problem is on the screen, which says the marks obtained in mathematics by 9 students are given below. So these are the 9 marks obtained by the students. Okay, I'm sorry, the question is wrong, I guess. So this is not A. Kindly remember, this is not A. So question number A is find mean. Okay, so let's find the mean. Okay, so number A. So you know how do we find mean? We find mean, okay, so you call it x bar by first adding up all the observations. So observations are 60 and next is 67, 52, 76, 50, 51, 74, 45 and 56. So kindly check whether there are 9 marks or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so we have got 9 observations because there are 9 students. So total marks, okay, so add up all the marks and divide by number of students. Okay, so let's quickly add. So we have 60 plus 72, 60 plus 67 plus 52 plus 76 plus 50 plus 51 plus 74 plus 45 plus 56 will turn to be 531. Okay, so it will be 531 divided by, we have 9. Okay, so let's quickly divide this by 9. It turns out to be 59. Okay, kindly check. So when you divide 531 by 9, you get 59. So this will be our mean. So we got our first answer. Now question is saying, if marks of each student be increased by 4, then what will be the new value of the arithmetic mean? Okay, so number B. See, before we do this, I want to explain you a small thing. So that was the thing that you had learned in class 9. Suppose if your mean is, let's say, x bar. Okay, so if you want to see, there are observations, observations are x1, x2, x3, x4, all these are your observations. Okay, now if each observation is added by a number a, each observation is added by a number a, then your mean will also get added by a. That means if you are asked to find what is the change in mean, then mean will also change by the same amount. Okay, similarly, if you divide or if you subtract a particular number, then also you will have the same thing. Okay, then also you will have the same thing. Are you able to understand? That means from the mean, if you are subtracting one number, let's say a, from each observation you are subtracting, let's say a, then in mean also you will find that mean will change by a. Okay, that's what I am trying to say. Now here you're finding that each student's marks is increased by how much? By 4. Now that means each observation is getting added by 4, right? That means the value of new mean will also be increased by 4. Okay, so we'll write if each observation is increased by 4, then the value of mean will also increase by how much? By 4. Okay, so therefore your new mean, so new mean will be, so earlier it was 59, so for after we for 259 we'll add 4 and your new mean turns out to be 63. So this is your second answer, right? So I hope the sum was clear to you. Kindly pause the video and note down your solution. Right, we have another question. So question says, if the mean of 6, 4, 7, 8 and 10 is 8, find the value of a. Okay, so given is mean. Okay, so mean is given to be how much? 8. So but mean formula says it will be first add all the observations. Observations are 6, 4, 7, 8 and 10, right? And divide this by number of observation. So what is the number of observation? So we have exactly 5, I guess, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will divide by 5. So this is also nothing but mean. So this mean is equals to 8, right? Okay, so let's add this now. 6 plus 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 10 is 27. So it becomes a plus 27 divided by 5 is equals to 8, right? So we have a plus 27. So this 5 and 8 gets multiplied and you get 40, right? So bring this 27 over there, you get a equals to 40 minus 27. So find the difference. It turns out to be 13. So that means the value of a is 13. Was it very easy? Yes? Quickly note down. Let's have one more question. So question is also similar kind of question. So in this case your mean is given to be 8. Okay, so all of you know mean is nothing but, first add all the terms. So 6 plus y plus 7 plus x plus 14. Okay, so these are the observation and we divide this observation, sum of the observation, by number of observation, which is again 5. So this is 8, right? So let's add now. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 14 is 27. So we have x plus y plus 27. Okay, because x and y cannot be added. Divided by, we have 5 is equals to 8. So again x plus y plus 27, do the cross multiplication. Again you get 40. So bring this 27 over here, you get x plus y equals to 40 minus 27, which is 13, right? Now you have to express y in terms of x, remember. So that's why keep only y here. Okay, you are expressing y in terms of x, right? So keep only y here. So take this x over there. So you get 13 minus x. So this is your answer for this particular question. Okay, pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so we will learn about mean of discrete frequency distribution tomorrow's class. So today we'll close with only this much. Okay, with this we close. Thank you very much.